Want to make money with Bitcoin in 2025? You're not alone. But before you jump in, remember, there's no guaranteed way to profit. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the most common ways people try to earn with Bitcoin, what they involve, their risks, and what to watch out for. Bitcoin has opened up countless opportunities, from investing and trading to earning rewards and accepting payments. But every method has different risks, returns, and tax considerations. The key is to stay informed, manage expectations, and always do your own research. And if you do make money with Bitcoin, remember it's usually taxable. Koinly helps you track, calculate, and report your crypto activity automatically, so you can stay compliant with confidence. Alrighty, before we go any further, this video is for general information only and should not be taken as financial, investment, or tax advice. Cryptocurrency investments are volatile and carry risks. Always do your own research and seek professional advice before making financial decisions. Koinly is not responsible for any losses arising from reliance on this information. Alrighty, with that out of the way, let's jump into number 1, buy and hold. Buying and holding Bitcoin for a long term is the simplest and most popular approach. So how does it work? Well, it's very simple. You buy Bitcoin and hold through market ups and downs, hoping it appreciates over time. Risk level is moderate to high. Bitcoin is volatile and prices can swing sharply. Tip: only invest what you can afford to lose and avoid emotional decisions during market drops. Okay, number 2, trading Bitcoin. Day or swing trading means buying and selling Bitcoin more frequently to capitalize on short-term price moves. The difficulty for this is medium to hard. It requires skill, time, and discipline. The risk is also high. There's potential for profit, but losses can happen just as fast. Trading, of course, isn't for everyone, so start small and learn before committing real funds. Number 3, Bitcoin mining. Mining uses specialized computers to validate Bitcoin transactions and earn rewards. Difficulty is high. Mining today is competitive and requires expensive equipment and energy. Potential return varies on the cost of your setup and Bitcoin's market price. For most people, joining a mining pool or exploring cloud mining is more realistic than mining solo. Number 4, Bitcoin payments. If you run a business or freelance, you can accept Bitcoin as payment through platforms like BitPay or Coinbase Commerce. The difficulty is moderate, setup is relatively simple, but tracking payments for tax purposes is essential. The benefit is it can expand your customer base globally and let you hold Bitcoin if you believe in its long-term potential. Number 5, invest in Bitcoin startups. You can also invest in Bitcoin-related businesses like wallet providers, exchanges, or infrastructure projects. The risk for this one is high because startups can fail, so research is crucial. Tip: never invest in anything you don't understand and diversify to reduce risk. Okay, number 6, lend Bitcoin. Some platforms let you lend Bitcoin and earn interest. The difficulty is medium and the risk is custodial. If the platform fails, your funds may be lost. Always check platform transparency, security, and regulatory compliance before lending. Number 7, Bitcoin affiliate marketing. Many crypto companies offer affiliate programs. You can earn commissions for promoting their services. The difficulty is medium and the potential return depends on your audience size and engagement. It's not passive income because success requires content, credibility, and consistency. Number 8, Bitcoin faucets. Faucets give small Bitcoin rewards for completing simple online tasks like watching ads or solving CAPTCHAs. The difficulty is really easy on this one and the return is usually very low. It's mainly for beginners testing the waters. And be cautious, avoid sites that seem too good to be true or ask for personal information. We've also made a video on Bitcoin faucets. If you're interested, I'll leave it in the comments down below. Okay, number 9, Bitcoin rewards cards. Some crypto cards now offer Bitcoin cashback instead of points. The difficulty for this one is easy and the potential return is between 1 and 5% on purchases, which is small but consistent. As Bitcoin prices change, so does the value of your reward. Always do your own research. No matter which method you try, always research the risks, fees, and legal implications. Bitcoin can be profitable, but it's unpredictable, and outcomes depend entirely on the market and your personal choices. Education and caution go hand in hand. And don't forget the tax bill. Whether you're trading, mining, lending, or earning Bitcoin, it usually comes with tax obligations. In most regions, Bitcoin profits are subject to capital gains tax or income tax, depending on how you earn them. That's where Koinly helps. Koinly automatically imports your transactions, calculates your gains and losses, and generates ready-to-use tax reports, saving you hours of manual work. Okay, and I leave you with this. There's no secret formula for making money with Bitcoin, just different strategies. each with its own risks and rewards. The key is research, patience, and responsible investing. And when it comes to taxes, Koinly helps you stay organized and compliant automatically. For more crypto guides and updates, check out the Koinly blog, which is updated by our content team regularly. If you enjoyed this video, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.